Yes? This is what the question looks like. Okay, so this is the equation of the curve. This is the equation of the curve. I'm finding dy dx. Okay, now it's pretty tough. It's pretty tough. So there are many ways to differentiate this. What I choose is I use the chain rule. Okay, so you notice that I see this as one layer. That's layer number 1. I see this as the second layer. That's layer number 2. Okay, differentiating the first layer, power go in front, power drop by 1. Differentiating the second layer, you can see that it's by quotient rule. I'm differentiating this via quotient rule. Is it okay? This is, I think, the most sanitized way. Jukai, are you alright? You know I got something to bother you. Jukai, okay now? Okay, I wait. I say one more time. I am looking at this, right? Because this is the equation. Definitely you are calculating gradient. I will need dy dx. Agree? Now because I need dy dx, I look at this as a chain rule. So you can see that the outside layer is a bracket to the power of 4 in blue. The inside layer is 5x plus 3 over 10x minus 6. Mr. Core, are you okay? Okay, come. Come again? Hey, sorry. Huh? Oh, 1C. I've already gone way past there already.
Sorry.
This one is it?
Yeah.
I think it's the same, but I think you need to simplify further. You need to factorize. What's the 1C answer? Where? Give me a second. It's the same. I think it's the same. Based on what I see. That's a thumbnail. 1C. Okay. Joshua, this is 1C, is it? Okay, just give me a second. I'm going back to 1C for a while. It's 2x power 5 minus minus 4x power 3. Same. Can you see same? Can Boleh ya? Okay, so guys, I'm going back now to the front, to the back, going back to question 10. So after 10, okay, I'm here, I calculate the gradient, I find the dy dx first. So this is the general plan. Okay, so first, don't cry, maths only. Found dy dx. After I find the dy dx, okay, so you see I will need the gradient when y equals to 16, right? Now when y equals to 16, Joshua, look here. Don't be a pervert. Okay, so looking at girls outside. Y equals to 16, but the thing is you have dy dx. Can you tell me what's the currency for dy dx? What do you need, x or y? Don't look at this. Look at dy dx. Do I need x or y? X. But now I have y. How do I find x? Very good. Just sub in. Right? Easy, right? Just sub in. So sub in where? Sum in these two into the equation, right? Because the tangent and the curve, they share the same point. They share the same point. So y equals to 16. I just sub into the curve, right? So this is the plan. Okay, you sub y equals to 16 into the equation of the curve to find x. Okay, that's the big picture. So I find x to be 1, I find x to be 9 over 25. Is that okay? Is that okay? Can Then I will sub back into dy dx. Okay? So from here to here, you notice what am I doing? I sub x equals to 1, x equals to 9 over 25 into dy dx function. Okay, this is so that I can get the gradient of the tangent. The gradient of tangent is found by differentiation. Yes. It's fine, it's fine. So what? 1000 over 3. Okay, 1000 over 3. Both are okay. Okay? Zihan. Are you okay? Okay, 下水啊。Oh, okay I go on Okay, I see everyone talking among yourself already, so I assume it's fine. Okay. What's that? Essay LA essay. Love letter. To who? Alanis. Joe? Joe. Who's Joe? Your new girlfriend? Huh? I can't think of a joke. Miss Low. Your girlfriend is Miss Low. Huh? Okay, question 11. Who's Miss Low? Okay, I know. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Okay, question 11. Shh. Okay, just kidding. Please don't get offended, Brayden, you know I love you. Mahal kita. Okay. So, the two, is it JV and Jukai again? What happened? Without looking up, I can see it's the two of your boys. Huh? Okay. So now look at this is the question. The curve has an equation y equals to square root x. Again, this is not in index form so I want to put it in index form. Okay. And a and b are constant. Listen first. I also I want to copy. Okay. Shut up, Megan. Okay. So this is outer layer. Guys, this is inner layer. Can see? So I differentiate the outer layer. I differentiate inner layer. When I differentiate the inner layer, you notice I apply quotient rule. Jukai, you better shut up, you keep talking about other things. Sorry. One more time you talk about other things you see outside, You see at the water cooler. You understand? Don't disturb my class. You keep talking to Sitong. You may be smart, but Sitong, you may be smart also, but are you all getting 100 upon 100? Unless you get full marks, you will keep quiet, okay? Because there is still more to improve on. So here you can see, when I want to find gradient, what does this trigger you to do? Every time I see the word gradient, what does it trigger me to do? dy dx. So you can see this is gradient. What's this? Maybe you can't snap your fingers? You can't snap your fingers? There are a lot of milestones in your life. Like for example, the boys, you must be able to move your ears, move your nostrils. That's how the boys like to move. Okay, other things. Okay, never mind. Okay. So you differentiate, you simplify, okay? And then you get the answer. Is that alright? Joshua, did you get here? Clear so far? Those who are copying, you must understand the rationale because you just copy, you don't know. You need to know the plan. The macro plan is that first, you see the word gradient, you know must do dy dx. Then they say x equals to a plus b. What do? I sub. You all are not listening. Stop talking. X to be a plus b over 2. Only Mitra. The whole 7 only got Mitra. Okay. I sub x to be I sub x to b. Wei Xiang, why are you comparing? Why are you doing this? Then you all doing this, like what are you doing? So weird. Okay. Can I? Can I sub x to be a plus b over 2? Can you understand? This is macro number 2, plan number 2. Okay. Can I? Now then after I sub already, okay, most people up to here, you might be like, wow, what do I do next? Right? So slowly. As in all algebra are like friends. You look for friends who are like terms. I'm a tracker, I look for someone who's a tracker, we eat together. I'm a dancer, I look for someone who's a dancer, we dance together. I'm a soccer player, I look for someone who plays soccer, we play together. So who will A look for? A will look for another A, right? B will look for another B. So you try to unpack. Notice what am I doing here? I'm simply unpacking the like terms to regroup together. So you can see A minus 2A, shut up. A minus 2A, this is my 4th time telling you already. Can you see I'm grouping? I unpack and I group the like terms. Alright, this is natural algebra. A minus 2A. Can or not? Okay, see I get B minus A here. I unpack the like terms. Same for this side. You can see B and B. What am I doing? Unpack B and B, and I put them together. Clear or not? This is a natural, how to say, natural inclination. Okay, means when you do algebra, what do you want to do? Same as you play soccer, same as you look for people who are like terms. You try to put them together. Can ma? Can I eat though? Can I? Yes. Okay. It's just a sticky portion. Yeah. After that, you realize got b minus a squared. You simplify, you should be able to get the answer. Okay? If you didn't, it is alright, right? Just work through it slowly. Can I? The two of you, what are you doing? Yes. How do I go from the second last step to the last step? Okay, so now you just imagine. Okay, here. Can I say this is b minus a, the denominator? Can I say it's 2b minus a square over 2 square? Can I? Can I say that 2 and 2 square can cancel off? Okay. When you divide by a number, the number divides by a number, the number can come to the top. 孙子是 out of war. If you like Chinese history, the enemy of my enemy is my friend. So that means 2 can come to the top. If I'm divided, 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 3. 3 is actually the friend of 1. Fair enough. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. That's what I mean. Cancel. This is 2 over b minus a. Okay, so negative 1 plus negative 1. Okay, today I owe you $1. Tomorrow I come to you, I borrow another $1. So I'm owing $1 plus I owe $1. How much I owe you? Owe $2. Fair enough. This is how I teach primary school kids. I teach my son as well. Negative 2. Okay, so usually the correct way to say, we don't say minus. Minus by right is an operator. We say 7 minus 6, right? But when we say when you say O, it's more like negative. So usually the correct way to say is negative 2, negative 3. Okay. Hey, stop staying there. 1 more hour left. Do you say 1 more hour left? Time flies when I'm teaching. Okay. This inhaler. This Feng Yu. I went to Bangkok last week I made inhaler. Then I went to a factory. Okay, can? May I go on? Can. 2D. 2D. 2D, ah. Okay, 2D is over here, sir. Wow, the smell. Smell nice. Sit down, okay? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Put away the file. What's that? Oh. Okay. Can I? Can I go on? May I? Okay. All good? All satisfied? When I say satisfied, it means that your practice set is self-mark. It is self-mark. Okay? Corrections done. Corrections done. Means you understood every single. Okay? And it's all completed. That is how you know that your practice set is solid. Zahan, open your eyes. Who's that? Oh, Ariel. Okay, Ariel cannot scold. Ariel is a Ariel is a supreme. Okay. I go to the last one. Ariel cannot scold because Miss Ng say get wife must get like Ariel this guy. I know everything. I just don't say out. I also know about you. Just wait. When the time is right. What? Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Oh, okay. Here. This way. Ethan. Finger. No, like heart. You are doing like a. Okay, sounds split lah. 2 fingers like that. This way. Don't you all do this in primary school? You all don't do this in primary school? You all don't do this in primary school? Don't know. Primary school, is it still the same? Nowadays the kids. Oh, now it's getting irritating. This is your childhood. Y'all must know all this. Primary school boys especially, what do y'all do during recess time? Play soccer, do sports. That's important. That's how your primary school life will be. Like my son, all of them learn how to make these armpit farts. All those y'all need to know. Okay. Can everybody? Joshua's going to do armpit fart. It's going to be on YouTube. Okay, so now I will go on to assignment. I will go pretty slow. Is it okay? I'll go pretty slow. Yes, sorry? Who called me? Are you all okay? Yeah, it is. It's tough lah. Okay, Javier? Okay, I start. Who totally cannot do the assignment question at all? You never even do lah, not you never try. You must have tried lah, okay? You must have spent a considerable amount of time trying and fail before you can say you don't know how to do. Go. Okay, next I go on. Okay. Now here, if you okay, let me write down the answer first. In case you are part 1. Part 1, the answer is y equals to x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 1 over x. For part 2, need to show there's no perfect answer. Is this okay? You all got this? Who got this? Well done. Very good, very good. Evie got? Got. Very good. Mitra got? Mitra got part 1 answer? Very good. Who need me to go through? Need me to go through? Okay, so I go through. Okay. So, okay. I go through the brief plan. The brief plan is, of course, I need to differentiate. Right? Because again, I see the word gradient. This means I need to differentiate. I need to differentiate and I need to sub in square root 2 and 5 over 2. That's step 2. Step number 3. I also will use this as the substitute. Okay, so far? So step number 1, I will find dy dx. Okay, so I differentiate. So you can see our power goes in front. I think you should get x power n. Multiply by n plus 1. Divide by n plus 1. You cancel. Again, power go in front. So minus a x to the power minus 2. So that gives you x to the power of n minus a over x squared. You got this? Who's listening to me going through this? Who need help? Okay, you got this one? Can I? So that's the first one. Find dy dx. Second, step 2, I sub x equals to square root 2. I sub x equals to 1 over square root 2. Right? Because that's what they gave me. Now dy dx, if I sub x equals to square root 2, what do I get? Okay, I'm getting 2n over 2. It's 2n over 2? 2 to the power n over 2 minus a over 2. Okay? Is it okay? Second one, if I take dy dx, if I sub x equals to 1 over square root 2, I get something like this. 1 over 2 to the power of n over 2 minus 2a. You like the what is it? The baby hippopotamus. Can I? Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 3, what do I do? What's step number 3, children? Can you tell me what's step number 3? Equate the dy dx to what do I do? Very good. Very good. 5 over 2. Okay. So this is equals to 5 over 2 equals to 5 over 2. Okay? Yeah. What do I do next? Yeah, you can do simultaneous, right? You can just do simultaneous equation. Then that will get you something. Or before that, you can also say that this is going to be my b. b minus a over 2 equals to 5 over 2. 1 over b minus 2a equals to 5 over 2. Correct or not? Call this equation 1, equation 2. Is it okay? What do you mean equate both? If you equate both, you can't get anything. You're going to get b and a. So I want to make b the subject, for example. That's subject. Okay, even though they are the same, don't equate both together. Don't equate both. You will not get anything. You will get stuck. Shh, stop it. So okay, let me. In case I'm not clear, 2b minus a equals to 5. I go to this. 2b minus 5 equals to a. So like Timothy was asking, what do? I make one the sum. That's sum. Yes, I need one equation, one variable. If I equate them, I'll have one equation, two variables. So I'll be stuck. Okay? Solve 2 and 3. simultaneously okay what do you get A to B and B to what's my B? Can anyone tell me? Javier, can help me? What's B gonna be? What's B gonna be? What's B gonna be? B will be 2 or negative 1 over 8. Is negative 1 over 8 acceptable? No, reject because 2 to the power of n over 2 has to be more than 0. Reject. So you know that B is A over 2. So you call me this. Yes? What happened? May you go to the toilet? Oh, yeah, go ahead. So B is N2N over 2. Let's go. What is N equals to? 2. Okay. Is the whole 407 only consisting of Timothy? Okay, what else? What is A equals to? Okay, it's done with. Okay. Then A will be equals to? Yes, 2 to the power of n over 2 minus 5 negative 1. Okay? Is it okay? Are you okay? You look like you have a headache. Put a hand on the head, table and sleep. Okay. Sing out okay? Chloe okay? Too easy. Can do. Okay. Part 1 done. Any question? This is the time where I will pause for a while for you to copy one. Tuan. Tuan means sir in Malay. Don't sleep. Don't put your headphone, it's heavy. Okay. This is heavy. I don't think it's not those. This is a softball. Cannot leh. What kind of ball is this? Okay. Can? Listen. Okay, come. Question 2. Question 1, okay? I will go to part 2 now. Chuka, okay? All okay, Evie, Zarissa? Shihan? Not okay. She doing practice set. Okay. Okay, Jun Kai and Zihan, you all change place. Ariel helping you. Ariel, you all the questions can do. Is your assignment all completed? Are you able to do this? All completed. Then you do swap place. Yours are all completed. No, you do swap place. Sitong, you help Zihan the whole lesson. Okay, 10 seconds to change. 10, 9, 8. Come, Jun Kai, come, sit closer. No. Ariel, Zihan and Jun Kai change. Zihan. Zihan or you are Jing Han. Zihan. Sitong, help. Okay, I want by end of the lesson, Zihan has a smile on her face. Okay, 2 of you can talk. You all have the talking permit. You all can talk non-stop in my class. Jun Kai, we sit closer lah. If I can arrange the letters of the alphabet, I will put I and you closer together. Okay. So let's sit closer together. Okay, can Okay, that's so good. I saw Ophelia roll her eyes. Okay, so next one, part 2. Do I need to go through part 2? Okay, part 2 is a bit like cheesy lah. Okay, it's an A-level kind of question to be fair. So what do? I consider this, right? This is the same as this. Are you agree? Put down your iPad. I say how many times already, Jun Kai. Put down. put down. Sarisa, put down. Xingyang, put down. Flat. Zoe, flat. This is the same as this, right? Can I say that it's the same as this? Now you compare this to dy dx. dy dx looks like that. Am I right? 1 over x squared. Now I compare this, I compare this. So that the gradient now, well, sir, since you're talking to me about gradient, I know that I gotta look at this guy, right? How do I show that it's at least 2? Well, if I look at this, right, I saw a minus 2. Can I say that I purposely put a minus 2 plus 2? Is it okay? Why do I do that? Because I'm considering this. This is the guy I'm considering. Right? Hey, guys, hey! What's this? Can I say that this is x minus 1 over x squared? Okay, that didn't excite you. Okay. Now, what's so special about this guy? May I ask Tuan? He's always larger equals 0, precisely. You heard what Tuan say? That means what can you say about dy dx? This is always larger equals 0. This entire thing will have to be larger than equals to 2. 0 is your scope mark. Kidding. Can I? Because it's a squared function. Okay? Yes. Yes. Correct. In fact, here you notice they give you a hint. Cannot. I will share this with you all later. Can I? Do I? Okay, I see some of you looking at the screen. I pause a while. No. You and Jukai, every time my lesson want to go toilet, want to go fill water, want to go sit the toilet auntie, want to go talk to each other. Okay, go. Yeah. Okay. I go on, Ariel, okay? Which one, okay? Okay, I go on. Okay, question 2. Do I need to go through question 2? Yes, no? No need? Okay, no need, then I go on. Why you ignore me one? Need or no need? Oh, wrong. Salah. Alamak. Shut up, Mitra. I can hear you. I know about your secret, Mitra. Okay, ready? Do I go through? Let me write down the answer first. Okay, I think. Yeah, part 1 is just a short question. Part 2 is part 2 the answer is p squared minus 3px over square root 4px minus p squared as well. For question part 3, x is equals to p over 3. Is this okay? Shahan, okay? Can I? What are you doing? Assignment. You're doing now. If it's so difficult that you cannot do the assignment at all, I can understand. Because this is indeed a very difficult, challenging assignment. Of this intensity, yes. Can someone, Javius, chair, help me to lift up? Why? What's no mannerism, y'all? Huh? Put up properly. Okay. Anyone got part 1, part 2? Part 1, who got it? Raise your show hand. Very good. Okay. Part 2? Very good. Part 3? Wow, very good. Yes. Huh? Minus 1, P over 3. There is no minus, it's only P over 3. Not difficult now. Okay, part 2 to part 3. Okay, so did you get part 2? Just equate part 2 to 0. You got it? You got it. Okay. Who has do you need me to go through part 1? No need. Calling once. If you need, don't be shy. Do I need to go through part 1? Huh? Yes? No? I can't show. I can't hear. Louder. Huh? What's the answer for 3? The answer for part 3, x is equal to p over 3. What's the answer for k? What's the answer for k? Oh, the answer for k is none other than the value. 1 second, 1 over 4, correct. So k is 1/4. And then do I still go through question 2? Seems like you're all okay. I don't go through? Joshua, you got do or not? Hi. People iPhone 17, you still using Nokia phone. 2, I go through. Thank you, Isaac. I've been hoping for someone to ask because I want to go through on the record. Okay, so question 2, go through part 1. Go through part 1. Go through part 1, is it? Isaac, stop looking at Mitra. I'm more handsome. Okay, part 1. Okay. So now, okay, if I have an isosceles triangle, right, very simple, I draw it out, identical, okay, then side x, can hold. Now what is over here is, okay, because the fixed parameter is fixed, right, if the total parameter is going to be p, right, this is p minus 2x, is that okay? Now because it's isosceles, right, if I chop it into half, this portion is like p minus 2x over 2. Okay, so that's what I'm going to sell to you. This particular segment here, this is p minus, in fact it's p over 2 minus x. If I were to just drop a foot of perpendicular here, I'm going to call this point D. So far, okay? Now, why do I purposely find this? Because I want to use how to find the height, so that I can find the area. Okay? Now, what is the height? By Pythagoras theorem, looking at this triangle over here. Now, if I want to find the height, this height here is none other than a square equals to b square minus c square. Is that okay? Can I? Now, I'm not going to show you the granular part. Checkpoint 1, you should be able to get something like this. Your h is square root px minus p square over 4. Okay, why don't I send the soft copy first? Because if I send, then most of the time students will just see lah. Then when they see, then they get stuck. But actually at the same time I'm going through, and after that they'll wake up 10 minutes later. Sometimes can you go through? By the time I go through finishing. So it's called a sequence of teaching. So I'll usually will go through first, unpack for you, then I will send you the lesson later. Okay, Megan. Were you the one who asked? Sucks? You say I sucks? Oh, okay. Can hold. Once I find the height, what do I do next? How do I find the area of a triangle? Half times height times base. Correct? Okay, so area, checkpoint 2, area of triangle. Half times base times height. A very simple and humble application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Well, we'll just give you first, so you can see that's the answer. Oh. Now, if I want to pull out 1/4 here, another square root of 1/4, right? Now, this portion here is like square root 1/4 of 4px minus p squared. Square root 1/4 is like square root of 1/4 square root of 4px minus p squared. Square root 1/4 is the same as half. Half of 4px minus p squared. So if I copy down, p minus 2x, cancel. This will give me 1/4 p minus 2x square root 4px minus p squared. Boleh? Can hor? NJC kids. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Can, Benny? Zoe, stop looking. I saw your saliva come out from your mask already. So, like some chicope like that. Okay. Okay, huh? Can, huh? Do I show the differentiation? Need? No need? Any part you're not clear, need me to explain again. Megan haven't go through puberty, the voice still the 3-year-old voice. Okay. Okay, just in case you are too shy to ask, I'm gonna put the answer over here. Just in case, alright? This is for question 2. Coming soon to theaters near you. Question 2. Okay? Question 2. JV, okay? JV, you see you do everything already. Come, JV. Stand up. Help me give up to the class. Give up all personally. Okay. Okay, huh? All okay? Question 3. Do I go through question 3 now? Yes, no? And then this daydream, the soul left the body. Oh, okay. Anyone still on this question? I just want to make sure you're okay before I go on. I don't want to leave you behind. Okay, okay. Then I go on. Okay. Dun. Question 3. Okay, do I go through question 3? Okay, so maybe write down the answer first. DHDX. Answer for question 3. DHDX is 8k cubed x squared plus 2kx plus 5k squared 3/2. Okay, part 2. What is the answer? The answer is, anyone can tell me? What is x equals to? Braden, what do you get for 3 part 2? Okay. Very good. Wow, Timothy, well done. What do you get? Got 2? Never do one. Huh? Oh, okay. Sorry, my dear. but I didn't use. I use area of triangle. Huh? Okay, so what you do? Okay, the idea is this. Okay, you use. Should I go through? Yes, Do I have your permission? Yes, Joshua. No. T for trigo. I know you love trigo. I'm going through now. Hey, you come back. You go where? Your trigo coming out. Ask your trigo to wait. Yes. Joshua cannot lah. You come to my class late. 9:40. 9:40. Then you talk. Then after you want to go toilet. Wait lah. Okay, can ask your bladder to wait first. Okay. Can ask him to wait. Because there's so much I want to tell you. Yes. Can. I bias Huh? He did the whole question already. You spend 30 minutes. Spend 30 minutes. How much time you spend on math versus how much time he spent on math? Different Okay, let's move on. So quickly 2k x plus k. I'm going to use Pythagoras theorem to find this. Can Okay, so let's call this, for example, let's call this what do I want to call it? I call it maybe h or I call it base. I call this the base, for example, base or ABs. Okay, I want to find AB first. Okay, the general plan is I find AB by Pythagoras. Then half times base times height. Joshua, are you listening or not? You better listen. I already tell you very nicely already. Okay. Okay. Half times 2k times x plus k. Is it okay? Can Oh, this is the idea. Okay, so first I use Pythagoras. So if you see AB is the square root of 2k squared plus x plus k squared. Simplifying this, you should get x squared plus 2kx plus k squared plus 4k squared plus 5k squared. So this is your AB. How guys? Shh. Are you writing? Try to write. I know you're tired. Try your best. Okay, Success does not take place in comfort. It takes place in discomfort. Okay, growth takes place in discomfort. Shut up, Junkai, I'm talking. Okay. So this is AB. Now half times AB times H is the area. The area of the triangle is half times AB. Please stay with me. Don't times height. Okay? It's the same as also this half times x plus k times 2k. Please stay focused. Okay? So why do I do that? I'll explain it on. Eventually, you are going to get h to be 2x. Wrong. 2k. Ethan, focus. Okay, now many of you will be wondering, hey Jeffrey, why do I do this? Now very simple, I ask you, if you are finding dh dx, what's the step before that? If I want to find dy dx, I need y in terms of? If I want to find dx dt, I need x in terms of? If I want to find dh dx, I will need h in terms of? You understand? I will need h in terms of x. That is why I'm going through all this pain. I will need h in terms of x. That is the primer. That is the reason why I'm going through all the pain to make h in terms of x. You all clear so far? You all clear so far? Nobody is going to tell you that you need to do all this. You need to figure out on your own. When you see a right angle triangle, you think about Picasso, you think about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and there's a lot of dirty manipulation. Now, from here, then you differentiate. Right? Then differentiate. Now look out for your variables. X is here, X is here, X is here. It's going to be quite disgusting. Alright, so again, what do I do? Typically, I take it slow. I let U to be 2k x plus k. I let V to be x squared plus 2kx plus 5k squared power half. The next person who talk, you will come out here and present. Okay? Can I? Can I? Okay, now U. What is U prime? Can Jun Kai tell me? What is U prime? This is U. What is U prime? What is the variable? X, right? So if I differentiate, what do I get? So let me expand this for you. Jun Kai, help you out. 2kx plus 2k squared. If I expand this du dx, what would it be? Okay. Okay, Wei Xiang. Wei Xiang, come out. Help me to write down dv dx. Help me to write down dv dx. Okay. This person will be eaten. Oh, Wei Xiang has such beautiful handwriting. Such a pleasant to the heart. Yes. But provided you differentiate, if you are just focusing on equation, you just solve. But you differentiate wrongly, you will lose more.
I don't know. I don't know this.
Very good. Well done. Okay, good job you. Love you. Uncle, come back. Got mistake. Okay, you differentiate with respect to x. 10k don't have. Differentiate 5k square is 0.
Oh yeah.
You just erase. You just do this. You just scribble. Disappear. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, good. Okay, can. Next one. So now is we have this. Okay, so you can see du. So what is dy? dh dx. U over v. Who differentiate first? Joshua, who differentiate first? Remember what's the mantra? You die first. You differentiate first. So you differentiate first. Javier plus dv dx multiplied by u. Okay, I hope you can see this. It's a real crazy expression, but trust me, you all are also crazy enough to do it. Okay, it's a good kind of crazy, huh? I'm sure you all enjoy doing math like this. The bottom is v squared. Just be careful. A lot of people, instead of that, sometimes people go and put minus half here. Square. No, remember this is your v. Your v is power half. So this one should be power 1, not power negative 1. Don't get it wrong. Okay? Simplify this. What? How? It's okay lah. Don't worry. Okay. Remember I think the square root over square root trick. The square root over square root. So you see this? This is power half. This is power minus half, right? Just bring it below. Okay, so I do this. Shh. Keep quiet lah, Megan. Talk. Like the sparrow outside. Hey, I thought I heard your voice. What is your voice very significant? It's the 3-year-old voice. You multiply by this. Can you see? Okay. Can square root over square root 3. Multiply by half over half. This times this will give you power 1. So 2k. I can show it to you. I enjoy doing this. It's so therapeutic that you will love it. Okay, then this and this will cancel off, right? So and then half will cancel out 2 and 2. This is x plus k. Look at this. So beautiful. Just like you. X plus k square times 2k. Is it okay? Okay, Below will be x squared plus 2kx plus 5k squared 3 over 2. Yeah, because power half, power 1 is power 3 over 2. This one you simplify now. Should be okay lah. I guess I will not show you the rest, right? Okay, 8k cubed over x squared plus 2kx. Can I? Sitong, is Zhihan smiling already? Can I? Okay, is Sitong a good teacher? Yes, I'm very good. She's a peer tutor. That's why I asked her to help you. Can I? All good? Annalise okay? Xian okay? Chloe? Okay. I just stay here for a while. Remember, you read what you saw. If I want to find dy dx, I need y in terms of x. Correct? If I need to do dx dt, I need x in terms of t. Whatever I differentiate, I need it in terms of that. Yeah. Because I'm waiting for them to. This is part 1. 8, Age, my age, 41, What do you say? My age, 41. What's H? No, H, okay, H is like this. This is H. Can you see? No. If x is equals to y square.
If x equals to y over 2 to the power 3, then y to the does x to the power 2 over 3 equals to y?
No, y will be equals to x to the power 3 over 2. It's the other way around. I teach you a trick, Okay, you. Okay. Is it okay, guys? Can Okay, now next, okay, Mitra, back to your question. If A is equals to B to the power of 7 over 6. Wow.
Equals to a to the power 6 over 7.
6, 7. Okay, so anyway, what you do is very simple. The idea is you just take 6 over 7, 6 over 7. Because these two, they will multiply to give you B power 1. Right or not? You take the reciprocal. You understand? Okay, can Okay, now next. Now I have this is my part 1 answer. If I equate to 64 over 25. Now next, okay, I think I will just show. I won't go through lah. Okay, I think the part 3 is easy. Part 3. Now I equate my dh dx to 64 over 125. Cross multiply. Slowly solve. Okay, I know that the power 3 over 2 bothers you a bit, but all you need to do, right, is okay, so 4 it can be managed. This one can be managed. Yeah, in fact, if everybody is 3 over 2, you can just simply remove the 3 over 2. Right? Then you get a nice quadratic equation which is solvable. Okay? If the k bothers you, put the k at some value. Zoe, stop looking here. Stop looking at the SH1 boys. Zoe, you pervert. Zoe, Chunling of JH407. Stop looking at the. Okay. Can Esther, is that you? Hey, Sabrina, is that you? Is it your birthday? Happy birthday to you. Okay. I taught them before. Bye-bye. God bless you. Okay, 3 part 2. So answer is k over 2. Now you see, okay, from here to here is hard. So sometimes what I do is, if I cannot visualize, I put the K as a value. Okay, you get what I mean? Okay, I think you got to this part, right? Some of you might be stuck. Some of you might be stuck. Okay, legit. So sometimes what I do, I imagine K as 2. I go to the calculator, I solve for x squared plus 82x minus 5 for 2 squared. Then I solve. Then I try to piece out the answer lah. Okay? Yeah. Or you simply do cross method. This kind can cross method one. So I will do like 2x bracket, 2x bracket. I try to figure out what is here. Okay? Just try to look here. Okay, ma'am? Oh, okay, ma'am. From here to here, I know it's hard. But I believe you can do it. Okay, I believe you can do it. Okay, it's difficult, but I think you can do it. Oh? And this is the kind of level of question you will see in senior high also. Okay? H2. All of you will take H2. Oh, okay. Some H3. Okay? Now, if you want, I can airdrop you the solutions now. Just on your airdrop, and I'm sending to you. I will post the video on Google Classroom after this as well. If I see you, I send you. Hey, what's the Isabel's airdrop? 25? Hey, I can't do it. I can't do it. How come? 258827. Not 258867. Wrong, 819. Oh, I can't send already. I post on Google Classroom. Okay, okay, that's all for today.